East Rock is one of the closest parks to where I live that I still haven't had a chance to explore. Another state park. It's a very urban park and extremely busy, but it's supposed to have an incredible view, and the Soldiers and Sailors Monument up top I've wanted to see for a long time because it looks amazing, and a couple other little surprises. We won't be visiting the archery trail today, but come along. The Soldiers and Sailors Monument. Awesome. Glad to finally have been able to see it up close because that is really awesome. The view from up top is incredible. And now we're going to head down the Giant Steps Trail with the dog, which I was told is very difficult. So wish us luck. Well, that's pretty much the stairs. We're heading down trail all the way down to the water now. It's very short, but incredibly steep. Only that first part there has the really crazy stairs, so if you're going up, it's the last part. Saw pretty much everybody going up except us and one other group, and everybody going up is huffing and puffing and dying. So it's steep, but it's really short, so it's not a big deal. Definitely a fun thing. We just saw like 20 kids from Yale all going up in a group, hyping each other up. It's pretty funny. But all right, we're almost to the bottom here. Gonna go along the water in the rice field. I'm gonna go try to find a couple more things. Came upon a whole bunch of cut in half tires. It says that this site is being maintained by the students. Hopefully these tires are being used in some project and they're not just being dumped here. Just like in West Rock, the road parallels the hiking trail, and it's foot traffic only. Pretty sure they only allow cars on it a couple times out of the year, but the trail's much more fun. We took the road all the way up, so we're gonna follow the trail for the rest. Well, scratch the first plan. The gates were closed. I mean, even the Eli Whitney Museum looks like nobody's here. So we'll walk through, find that bridge and cross it, and I'll have to come back another time. Ooh, I could feel the spray. It's spraying off onto me. Actually, it looks like we could totally stand over there. That might be man-made, but that is so nice. It's kind of a chilly day, even though it's mid-June. So I don't know about getting sprayed by it. It wasn't really necessary, but that's the closest I think I've been to such a huge man-made fall. That's one of the big things we looked at. The bridge was another one. Super neat. And now we just gotta march back to the car. Whew. It's certainly a nice park. This creepy house just came out of nowhere. Hansel and Gretel's. What is it? Ah, it's a coal shed. Okay. That's the creepiest coal shed I've ever seen. Unfortunately, there's a whole bunch of these little side roads. Back when this was actually used for cars, everything is now blocked off with stones. God only knows when they even open the roads to traffic, but at some point that used to be a view. And like a lot of the parks in the center of Connecticut, it's overgrown, not really maintained. And I'd made a video about West Rock, and it's the same problem up there. So quick little like 5-minute walk back on this road, take us right to the parking lot where we parked in the north. It's definitely one of the most urban parks I've been to in Connecticut by a long shot, but 100% worth visiting. We'll see you guys on the next one.